Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. My name is Wezi Sibiya for those of you who don't know, and as you guys can already tell by the title of the video, I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this like mustard yellow eyeshadow look. I'm trying this year to run away from like nudes and basic eyeshadows. I'm trying to live my best life using crazy palettes like this one. So yeah, if you guys are interested to find out how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Oh, and by the way, my lip, I forgot to actually mention in the video, it's Nudie 2D by Colors Limited, and then I just put excuse me, a brown liner around so that I don't look like I'm chewing on cocaine. Cue the video.
I just wanna sit back and clap for you. Wedding garden Taylor hustle loves on you, yeah. Sit back and clap for you. Handling your business like a queen would do. This is for my sexy mamas, handling their drama. Working so hard just to make another comma. I see you at the gym, who you going in? Body on summer and the face on spring. You the one I'm talking to. Yes, I say you, the one that sticks around even when it's hard to. I saw your picture on the Instagram. I might have left a comment and I think it said damn.
So this is the Being Bold palette from Colors Limited. The colors are so intense, and because I'm going out for a picnic or whatever, and this is the dress that I'm wearing, I don't want to like clash too much, so I'm going to just use this mustard.
You the type of spoozang guy. Have you met this name? I seen her at the spot. I've never been the same. Admire from afar, I would never claim. I wish I would've said something. Yeah, I'm thinking of you. I wish that I could call you and tell you all the things that all of I couldn't tell you. And now I just compel you to keep doing what you do. And I'm on now, he's always all I know. I just wanna sit back and clap for you. Wedding garden Taylor hustle loves on you, yeah. Sit back and clap for you. Handling your business like a queen would do. I just wanna sit back and clap for you, baby. I just wanna sit back and clap for you. How do you do all the things that you do and still look so good? You got that dress and them hips. She take charge in a room like she should. You keep kings all in check and get checks, and these chicks envy you. But you pay them no mind, you pay them no mind. Oh my God, you deserve everything you deserve. Go get it, you get you. Make it rain in and weather. You deserve everything that you've earned. Get the dough, then dress and go be bold like Cleopatra. If you see her driving round in the car she owns, I'm talking Beamer, Benz or Bentley. Beamer, Benz or Bentley. Just know 8 figures for a figure, that's the price she owned. Baby, the song's for you. Sit back and clap for you. Wedding garden Taylor hustle loves on you, yeah. Sit back and clap for you. Handling your business like a queen would do. I just wanna sit back and clap for you. I just wanna sit back and clap for you, baby. I just wanna sit back and clap for you. Wedding garden Taylor hustle loves on you, yeah. Sit back and clap for you. Handling your business like a queen would do. This is for my sexy mamas handling their drama, working so hard just to make another comma. I see you at the gym. Oh, you going in? Body on summer and the face on spring. You the one I'm talking to. Yes, I say you, the one that sticks around even when it's hard to. I saw your picture on the Instagram. I might have left a comment and I think it said damn. You the type of spoozang guy. Have you met this name? I seen her at the spot. I've never been the same. Admire from afar, I would never claim. I wish I would've said something. Yeah, I'm thinking of you. I wish that I could call you and tell you all the things that I couldn't tell you. And now I just compel you to keep doing what you do. And I'm all I just wanna sit back and clap for you. When it got in there, hustle loves on you, yeah. Sit back and clap for you.
Okay guys, that is it from me. If you guys did enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next one. Adios.
Handling your business like a queen would do. I just wanna sit back and clap for you.